If you're in sales right now, you're either about to get replaced by AI or you're about to make more money than ever. There is no middle ground because AI isn't killing sales, it's killing low-leverage sales reps. Think about what AI can already do. Write outreach messages, qualify leads, follow up automatically, even assist in closing deals. So what happens to the average rep doing repetitive tasks all day? They're getting replaced, and it's already happening. Smaller teams, higher quotas, more automation. But here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't replacing sales reps, it's upgrading them. There are 3 ways smart sales reps are using AI right now. 1. AI Sales Engineer. These are reps who combine sales skills with AI tools, and companies are paying $120,000 to $200,000 plus for this. 2. AI Automation Consultant. They help businesses automate lead generation and sales systems using AI. 3. AI Enhanced Closers. They use AI to research faster, personalize pitches, close more deals. And here's the best part. You don't need to learn how to code. You already have the most valuable skills: communication, persuasion, understanding people. If I were starting over in sales today, here's exactly what I'd do. Step 1. Identify your strength. Step 2. Pair with AI. Learn tools that enhance what you already do, not everything. Step 3. Reposition. Stop saying, "I'm a sales rep." Start saying, "I help companies increase revenue using AI-driven systems." The reps who ignore AI will get replaced. The ones who use it will dominate. If you want, I can break down the exact AI tools and roles you should focus on next.